All right, so somebody asked, what does a Monday look like for Spankies? Well, first, get a little bit of coffee in me, and then let's start this Monday morning off. Hey, we got to start smiling. It is Monday. Let's get to work. Come on. Hurry up. Time's a-wasting. It doesn't have any water in it? Yeah, it's got water. Come on. So my morning starts out with trying to find something to listen to on the radio or the TV. I enjoy listening to the Old Time Radio series on the TV, the Johnny Dollar episodes, and the CBS Mystery Theater. I also have a Jazz Monday, a Blues Wednesday, Old Time Rock and Roll rest of the week. Something different every day. So we pick up Monday morning where we left off on Friday. We got to finish up a few things that we started. This is a Bronco that you have not seen a lot of, and you're going to start seeing more of it as we are diving deeper and deeper into it. Lots of videos already done, just haven't finished editing them, and there's extra stuff that goes with it. So I was working on it all day Thursday and Friday, and I'm going to finish it up Monday morning before we get started on something else. So let's tack up some of this stuff, get it welded, and then it'll probably carry us through to lunch, and then from there we'll pick up something different. So let's check in and see what we're doing, and be patient because the full video on this Bronco will be coming soon. Before I start something else, I usually like cleaning up behind myself and put most of my tools away that I won't be using on the next project. So let's get some of this stuff put up, out of the way, and back where it goes so that the next project will be smoother and I can walk over and find what I'm looking for. Does anybody else have that problem besides me? Hey, don't be judging me. Technically, it's still the same time. And yeah, this is the third cup of coffee today. What keeps you going in the shop? All right, so yes, I'm upstairs in my office ordering yet another batch of parts. That seems to be a couple of times a day that I get to open the old wallet and pour out hard-earned money for new parts that I can't make. Putting these things back together with shiny parts, stuff like that. And sometimes, yeah, it's a lot simpler just to pick up a catalog with quality parts and get some stuff coming. So, yep, that's part of the game, guys, and part of the price that you have to pay when you're putting a car back together. So yeah, let me dive into this catalog and order some parts and get on the phone. And I can't get on the phone because right now you're on the phone. All right, let's get these parts ordered and get back to work. All right, more unused parts. All right, been waiting for that day for a while. Got the seat in the Bronco. Now we just need to find some mounting holes, bolt it down for good. All right, I don't even know what number we're on today. Project number 5 or 6. But anyway, we're working on the 61 Impala dash cluster, and you'll see this full video coming soon on another episode. But that's what we're doing for the rest of the day. So let's get back to work and see what we can do about making a video while you're watching a video while we're making parts. All right, so it's about 1:15, It's a little past my normal lunchtime. Yeah, I'm a 12 to 1 kind of guy. But I was knee deep in it, working on that grill for the Bronco that you haven't seen much of. That's coming in an upcoming video. And you saw some of the other stuff that we did. Anyway, guys, take a break, go in, get a bite to eat, and get back out here 1:30, 1:45, and finish the rest of the day. So I'm dragging, been out here probably since about 5:30, 6 o'clock this morning. Went in for a little bit of bite around breakfast time and then back out here after lunch. So, yep, I'm back to working half days. Yeah, I work 12 hours a day instead of 24. We're going to lunch. Come on. All right, so just had a lovely lunch with my wife. Thank you, dear, for making us a delicious lunch. Now, back to Monday and the rest of the day. So let's get after it. All right. Let's see. I've got to return a couple of phone calls. Got a couple of customers that have called in. And we have been working on a new video to come out. And we're doing the 61 Impala Dash. I can't really show you what I'm doing and make a video for later, but that is what we're doing for the rest of Monday. We've worked on it for a couple hours already, and we've got a few more hours to go. So I've packed away all of my welding supplies that you saw when we were finishing up Friday's project, but let's go over here and get something out of the paint booth. It is a mess in here, guys. Thanks for asking. There's the Bronco. Thanks for watching the video on the seat, the carpet, and the kick panels. They all came out great. So I'm proud of them. But if you hadn't seen the video of doing the seat, installing the carpets, but my son just came by and we just put this seat in today, which the video's gonna air probably before this video does. So anyway, all right. There it is. Sweet potato. Should have been a fast food lunch today. That's what I take the wife out for dinner in. That's when we're doing fast food right there. All right, where were we? Yep, I think I just heard UPS. I hope so. Let's go check it out. Nope. We need a UPS to drop by today. All right, so what's cooler than Christmas? It's when my Riding USA shows up. Thank you, Paul Martinez, for putting out an awesome magazine. This copy right here, as I promised, the Midwest Roadster Run. I had Dennis Parks come out from Riding USA and cover the event this year in Alton, Illinois. And there it is, guys. There we all are on the Midwest Roadster Run. But you need to grab you a copy of it because those sweet potatoes in there. I know the old desk is messy, but if you hadn't got a subscription to Riding USA, you need to go get you one. Best magazine out there. And thank you so much, Paul and Dennis, for covering the event this year and capturing yet another great year. And yeah, Sweet Potato made it in there a couple of shots. And I just, man, so thankful that I got to host the event this year. And all of my friends came from all over the country. And it was all covered in the magazine. So hats off to Riding USA and Paul and Dennis for doing what you do. So head on over, get you a subscription, check it out, and yeah, Riding USA. Now, let's go ship some t-shirts. And usually I end the day checking over all the website sales and folding and shipping t-shirts to you guys. And because I'm on camera, this is a little nervous. They're not usually like this. But I got 10 t-shirts ready to ship out, a couple of coffee mugs, and a few other items. Thanks to a busy weekend on the website with you guys calling in, phoning in, and emailing in your orders. So that's what helps keep the lights on, so to speak, and keeps us going. Been selling t-shirts worldwide for over 30 years. So we've punched out a bunch of t-shirts. Got 500 more on order. So head on over to Spanky'sHotRods.com, grab yourself a t-shirt, support the channel, and help keep the lights on just a little bit longer. So that's what happens around here on a day-to-day basis. One-man show, trying to get it done. So if you like what you saw, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see up close, personal, how I did whatever I do. So anyway, if you're through watching, get out in the garage, go build something. See you guys on the next episode. Thanks for dropping by.